Hey there! Welcome to our channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks to make money online. Are you looking to make some extra cash online? Maybe you want to save up for something special or just have a little extra spending money. Well, I've got the perfect solution for you that's both fun and rewarding. Introducing Pagazani, the ultimate free platform for earning money from the comfort of your home. Imagine making money while sitting in your pajamas. Whether you're a busy professional juggling multiple tasks or a stay-at-home parent looking for flexible work, Pagazani is designed for everyone. And guess what? No experience is needed at all. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our amazing money-making tips and tricks. We offer global opportunities for online earning, so comment your country below for region-specific videos. Alright, let's get started and explore how you can start earning today. Pagazani is a global platform that offers rewarded surveys, cash offers, and countless other opportunities to boost your income. It's a treasure trove of earning possibilities. It's fast, free, and super easy. You won't believe how simple it is to start making money. You can sign up as a member from anywhere in the world, as long as you're at least 18. This means you can start earning no matter where you are. Here are the ways you can get rewarded. First up, paid surveys. These are a great way to share your opinion and get paid for it. You can earn cash just by filling out free surveys. It's that simple. Next, we have cash offers. Get paid for downloading apps and signing up to different sites. Easy money, right? It's like getting paid to explore new things. And don't miss out on the daily bonus. This is a fantastic way to boost your earnings every single day. Participate in daily bonuses every day by completing tasks in your account and hitting those daily milestones. It's a great way to stay motivated and keep earning. Want to earn even more? Get referrals. This is one of the best ways to maximize your earnings. Share Pagazani with your friends and get rewarded for every member you invite to the platform. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. When it comes to cashing out, Pagazani offers multiple options. You can choose the method that works best for you. Withdraw your earnings with PayPal, choose from a range of gift cards, or get paid directly to your bank. Flexibility at its best. You have the power to decide how you want to receive your money. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Have you tried Pagazani or any other money-making apps? We're curious to know your thoughts and experiences. What was your experience like? Did you find it easy to use? Were you able to make a good amount of money? Drop a comment below and share your story. We love hearing from our viewers and learning about your success stories. Thanks for watching. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Your support helps us create more content for you. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way. See you in the next one. Until then, happy earning.